Hello viewers, welcome to the YouTube channel Roshni with Hina. Today I will discuss the topic key components of blockchain. Number 1. Cryptographic hashes for securing data. Definitions. Cryptographic hashes are algorithms that take an input or message and produce a fixed size string of characters, which is typically a hexadecimal numbers. This output is the hash. Purpose. Hashes play a critical role in ensuring the security and integrity of data within a block. Even a small change in the input data results in a significantly different hash. Security. The one-way nature of cryptographic hashes ensures that it's computationally infeasible to reverse the process and derive the original data from the hash. This enhances the security of the blockchain. Number 2, decentralized peer-to-peer network. Definition: a decentralized network means that there is no central authority or intermediary controlling the entire system. Instead, the network consists of a distributed set of nodes, computers that communicate directly with each other. Peer-to-peer, P2P nodes in the network are considered peers and they communicate and interact directly with one another without the needs for a central server. Benefits: decentralization reduces the risk of a single point of failure and enhance the security and resilience of the network. Every node in the network has a copy of the entire blockchain. Number 3, smart contracts for automated and self-executing agreements. Definition: smart contracts are self executing contracts with a term of the agreement directly written into code. They automatically enforce and execute the term when predefined conditions are met. Execution: smart contracts run on the blockchain and their execution is triggered by events or conditions agreed upon by the involved parties. Applications: smart contracts find applications in a wide range of fields, including finance, automated payment, supply chain, automatic tracking, legal agreement, and more. Ethereum. Ethereum is a notable blockchain platform known for its robust support of smart contracts, allowing developers to build decentralized applications. The apps. Concluding thoughts: these key components contribute to the security, transparency, and efficiency of blockchain technology. Cryptographic hash ensures the integrity of data. A decentralized network enhances security, and smart contracts enable automation and self executing agreements. Understanding these components is fundamental to appreciating the transformative potential of blockchain across various industries. Key components: understanding the fundamental building blocks of blockchain. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for choosing Roshni with Hina channel. Kindly share, like, and subscribe.